Let's say we want to build a dock to connect to the rocks. Placing each wooden plank manually would be extremely time-consuming and difficult. Now imagine if we could create a spline that lets us draw the dock anywhere we want, and it automatically generates along the path. Even better, if it adapts to landscape changes, that would be amazing. Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial on building a procedural dock. First, we create an empty level along with an empty landscape. Next, we create a Pcg and a blueprint for our spline. Don't forget to activate it from the plugin section. If you're not familiar with the basics, watch the previous videos on the channel. We open the blueprint and assign a spline to it. Then we add a Pcg component and assign our Pcg to it. In the Pcg, we create a getSpline data node. Then add a spline sampler to get points along the spline, and assign a static mesh to it. Now we go to Quixel Bridge, download the desired wooden meshes, and add them to the scene. I selected a pillar-like wooden mesh for the base of the dock. Assigned it to a static mesh and used the distance mode of the spline sampler to adjust the spacing. Now I make a copy of the spline sampler because I want to assign another mesh to the dock, and this way I can have more control over the spacing and scaling. Now, in order to move my mesh, I need to add the transform point node to achieve the desired result. By adjusting the offset and rotation, I place the surface planks on top of the pillars. Now we need to place the wooden planks next to each other, but we should add some variation to avoid uniformity. So, each time, we duplicate the nodes and apply rotations, or change the meshes to achieve better diversity. For the sides, we use a different mesh, and by adjusting its size and location, we place it in the correct position. Now we want our dock to adapt and deform according to the environment's elevation changes, so we need to use the projection node. After adding the projection node, by using the Get Landscape node and connecting it to the projection node, we can align the desired mesh with the environment. As you can see, it has been done correctly. This step needs to be applied to all the meshes. Now we want to attach a space at the end of the dock that acts like a station for boats. If you have a mesh for this purpose, you can import it. If not, you can simply create such an example by merging meshes together. Just don't forget to select all the meshes at the end. Go to the modeling menu, and under the merge section, merge them together. Then you can find the result in the generated folder. Now it's time to add the attribute selected node, and by selecting the max option, you can access the last point. Now you can use a static mesh and transform to place the created mesh in its proper location. All right, friends, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, drop a like and leave a comment to support the channel.